Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make 20,000 US dollars in passive income with these side hustles. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Passive income sources are the only way to become a millionaire and live life to the fullest. I usually make 20,000 US dollars a month from passive income, and today I will show you the top ways I make the most money. Keep watching if you want to find out more about passive income. For starters, start a YouTube channel just like mine. Since I started my YouTube channel in the How to Make Money niche 2 years ago, I have made $2,500 per week from ads alone. Depending on how long the video is, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to make each one. I put up videos every day and spend about 2 to 3 hours on each one. I want to spend the next 20 years building a huge library of videos that will always be relevant and make me money. At first, you may have put in a lot of time and work with YouTube, but if you stick with it, your work will pay off. After a year, the videos I put on the channel when I first started it went viral and now bring in 400 US dollars per week for the channel. A YouTube channel can be made for free. I know someone who records his screen and makes 4,000 US dollars a month from it. He puts out short tutorial videos that, according to him, can be finished in less than 2 minutes. Even if it takes me less than a minute to think of 50 ideas for a video, I'm sure you can do the same. 2. Freelance writing. I write on Medium and I also have my own blog and 3 clients who pay me $500 per week to write content for them. The money I made from writing in the past month was 15,000 US dollars. If someone had told me I could make 15,000 US dollars per month from writing on the internet, I would have started writing much sooner. But that didn't happen. You can get better at writing if you watch YouTube videos and write. After all, you have to put in time and effort if you want to get good at something. Most of what I write is on Medium. My second account, which has had over 200,000 views, earns me 6,000 US dollars per month. Fiverr and Upwork, which are freelance marketplaces, helped me get my first clients who now pay me $500 per week to write for them. These platforms are also used to share my work. Because there are not many writers online, Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start if you want to do ghostwriting as a side job. 3. Create digital products. You can make money by making a digital product, like an ebook or a course, and selling it to other people over the internet. I currently have 2 courses and an ebook for sale. But last month, these digital products brought in more than 8,000 US dollars on their own. I will talk about them on my blog and on my YouTube channel later. The best results come when you have a lot of followers, but you can still be successful even if you don't have any followers. When I made these courses, my goal was to help other people do what I had done to be successful in the online world. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.